A husband. A wife. A daughter. A son. A name. A surname. My name is John. My surname is Black. This is my family. This is my wife. Her name is Sarah. This is my son. His name is Alex. This is my daughter. Her name is Kate.
My name is Sarah. My surname is Black. There are 4 people in my family. My husband, my son, my daughter and I. My husband's name is John. My son's name is Alex. My daughter's name is Kate.
Your.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
What's your surname?
My surname is Black.
What's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Kate.
What's your name?
My name is Kate.
What's your surname?
My surname is Black.
What's your brother's name?
My brother's name is Alex.
What's your name?
My name is John.
What's your surname?
My surname is Black.
What's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
What's your surname?
My surname is Black.
What's your husband's name?
My husband's name is John.